Hello, my name is John Dew Stanley. I'm the Director of Technical Services and Support, and I am here to present to you today My Insight, a proactive monitoring tool for audiovisual and unified communication systems. My Insight is a proactive monitoring tool designed to help manage large estates of enterprise audiovisual and unified communications products. We can monitor any device that has an API interface. This means we can monitor systems in more than one location, building, in fact, anywhere around the world, and aggregate this back to a single pane of glass to be able to see and control the equipment. Our toolbox allows for the remote control of equipment where we can send commands to the device to correct fault statuses. We report on all of the uptime and utilization available to the systems to help really gauge insight into how systems are being used and how effectively they are helping a business and its productivity. We can implement automation resolutions. We have a built-in AI engine, and through machine learning, we're able to identify trends, and the system can automate a resolution where a setting may have changed on a system that would prevent or cause a problem for a user and therefore raise a support ticket. It's designed to help increase and improve the service level agreements, avoid customers and users of spaces having to react and raise support tickets when something goes wrong. This is a full visibility, automated workflow that provides everything you should need to monitor your AV and UC estate all in one platform. Buildings for most customers in the enterprise environment now get utilized in various times in various ways. Often client systems are used 24 hours a day because they may not be in the same physical location or even time zone. This platform is designed to provide a real-time 24/7 alert mechanism that can integrate directly with your ticketing platform. Any ITIL-based ticketing system can interface directly with My Insight. So as a device has a problem or experiences some level of failure, tickets and workflow can be generated for users that are working on a help desk. We do this through the network. We automatically capture the data through the network by talking to the device, computing and basically storing that information in a secure fashion locally within the network. We are able to monitor all types of AV and unified communications devices and their applications. The applications are then added to the devices as the endpoints, and we publish this information securely back to a multi-cloud environment. This permits single dashboards to be utilized for multiple locations to be able to control and monitor what is happening as every incident or event occurs. Dashboards can come in customized formats. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you an environment in Melbourne. On the left-hand side, the Melbourne radio button is selected, and on the right-hand side, our sunburst diagram is displaying what is happening at the Melbourne site. The sunburst diagram is color-coded. Green indicates everything is operating within the tolerances and the parameters that the system would be expected to be working within. This location has 3 levels, level 8, level 9, and level 14. Level 8 is indicating a minor error, and that is because the large conference room, now amber, has a device called the audio DSP that is not working. The boardroom has a notice indication that is blue. If a critical error had occurred, it would be displayed in red. From the menu, you can select these options and delve into more depth. Dashboards can be displayed in multiple ways. So in this example, 3 different sunburst diagrams have been presented. When you look into further detail of what's happening with the audio DSP from the previous era, we can see here by selecting in on the room in the large conferencing room, all of the equipment in the space. Most devices are reporting a healthy status, but a major error has been reported on the audio DSP. A number of performance metrics can be presented on the screen. These can show various levels of information that will help the operator in real time. On the bottom left-hand side, the actual error is presented, albeit at a high level. In this case, there is an audio issue. The UC endpoint is not connected to the DSP. This cable disconnection will prevent this system from being viable and therefore has displayed an error in the system. It will allow the system to create a ticket and generate it within the ticketing system used by the service provider. We support integrations to Zendesk, Freshdesk, Freshservice, ServiceNow, Jira, Salesforce, and a number of other platforms. Dashboards can supply far more granular detail. This particular scenario is showing a Poly X30 unit and its status in a call in a Zoom Cloud. Because we can monitor the cloud and we can talk to Zoom Cloud to find out what's happening with the communication stream, we are also talking to the device in the room, the Poly X30, and also to the display that it's connected to. We can see the health and status of all aspects of the system. In this example, we have performance metrics showing latency, jitter, frame rate, video mute, audio mute, signal loss, and cloud-based connectivity. An events table is positioned in the middle of the operator's window to show what is happening on site. At this point, a controller is not charging, so a wireless remote control interface. This device is monitored, it is still healthy, it is not charging, so only showing a notice indication. The data that's collected can be aggregated together to provide reporting and analytics. These reports can help to see what is going on within a client's estate. It provides useful information to show how rooms are utilised, how long they're up for, if they are off or any device has failed, how long they are not working for. And this data allows you to go back in time up to 2 years. So you're able to reverse engineer back to appointments that have happened in previous times where a user may have reported a fault so that you can see exactly what's happened during their calls. Our platform is software as a service, so therefore you can pay as you go. It can scale with your client and your client's contract. Therefore, the more rooms that are added, they can be added or removed at any time during the agreement. Subscriptions are generally monthly based and on an annual based subscription service. They will scale with your business, and as any piece of equipment changes, you can manage all the assets of your estate and track them from a single pane of glass. My Insight has a website. Please go to www.myglobalservices.com for more information. Thank you.